So today we're going to be talking about mitosis, but before that, to give you a better understanding, we're going to be talking about what happens before mitosis, which is what we know as interphase. There are a lot of cells in your body, and mitosis is a very crucial part of the cell's life cycle. So what I'm drawing here is the life cycle of a cell. What we see here, G1, synthesis, and G2 are all parts of interphase, and that happens before mitosis. So the first part of interphase is G1, and during G1 we start out with a small cell, and then it just gets bigger. The next part of interphase is synthesis. Synthesis is where all of this genetic information is duplicating. And here we have one chromosome, and after it's copied its genetic material, it's still one chromosome. Each of these two copies are called a chromatid. They are sister chromatids, and they're exact copies of each other, and each contains one DNA molecule. The little dot where the two chromatids are connected is the centromere. So here we have the cell after synthesis, so with the chromosomes, the centromere, and yeah. The last part of interphase is what we call G2. And it's really important to remember that this is after synthesis, in which the DNA has replicated, and in G2, all it really does is grow even more to its maximum size. So now we're going to talk about the actual mitosis itself, and it is by definition a process of cell division. So we previously established that the chromosomes existed as single lengths of DNA at first, and now they're made up of two sister chromatids. And what happens during mitosis is that in the cell, the chromatids pull apart and move towards poles. So we now call the chromatids daughter chromosomes, and a nuclear membrane forms around each of the daughter chromosomes that have gathered at the poles. The daughter chromosomes then uncoil. The cytoplasm then divides during a process called cytokinesis. And note that cytokinesis is not a stage of mitosis, but the process of the cytoplasm splitting into two. There are now two genetically identical daughter cells, and they are identical to the parent cell, which was the cell at the start, and to each other. Mitosis is extremely important in the replacement of cells, the repair of wounds, asexual reproduction, and growth. And that's the end of mitosis.